Hey dolls and gents, I am back with a new video, and as you can tell by the title as well as the thumbnail, this video is a little bit different for me because it's not a makeup tutorial on me. It's actually a makeup tutorial on someone else, and I had the pleasure of doing Dynasty's makeup. If you're not following Dynasty, you need to follow her like now on IG. She's so sweet. She's so funny. I love her so much, and I know y'all are gonna love her too. Here is Dynasty's Instagram account, so be sure to go follow her right now and let her know that Makeupd0ll sent you. So we did a nice, simple glam beat on her. It's very neutral. It's very fun. She loved it. I loved it. I hope that y'all love it. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video, because I will be flooding your feeds, okay, with bomb content because I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you for 2018, okay? I am coming with new raw content for you guys, so I hope that y'all are ready. If you want to see me beat Dynasty's face, then y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. So we're first going in with the Smashbox Primer Water. Y'all know how much I love that stuff. I'm also going in with the Anastasia Brow Definer. This is in the shade Dark Brown to fill in her eyebrows. I just want to give you guys a heads up that I do not remember all of the products that I used in this makeup tutorial because I filmed it about 2 weeks ago. And I didn't put the products to the side, so don't kill me. We're gonna go over like what I'm doing rather than what I'm using. I hope that y'all don't mind that. Now it's time to carve out those eyebrows. I'm doing the top and the bottom. For the bottom, I'm going about 2 to 3 shades lighter than her skin tone. And for the top, I'm using about the same color as her skin tone. And I don't remember what concealer or color I used, but I know it's a cream one. Next, I'm going to prime the eyelids for eyeshadow with a foundation. This one is from Graftobian. I love that palette. And I'm also going to set it with a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette on her, and I'm first using the shade Orange Soda all in the crease. After that, I am going to define the crease further with the color Burnt Orange. It looks really, really pretty on her skin tone. Next, I'm using a cream eyeshadow all over her eyelid. This is like a metallic gold color. So next, we're going to go in with mascara. Y'all are not seeing that yet. But I use a brand new mascara on every single client. Like, that's a pet peeve of mine. I don't like using the mascara wands. I have to use the actual mascara. So the lashes that I'm using are from Lady Lashes. They're the Bell Lash. Now I'm priming her skin. I'm going in with the Smashbox Primerizer. And I'm not sure what happened to the foundation footage. It's like just gone. But now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer. I'm actually using one from that same Graftobian palette. This is the same concealer that I applied to her eyelids. Now I'm setting the concealer under her eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm applying powder all over her skin, and she was looking at herself in the mirror with the compact powder, and she was like, that's cute. It was so cute. On to one of my favorite parts. We are bronzing and contouring her face. I know I first started off with the MAC Cajun cooling powder. It's like a limited edition one. And then I went in, I think, with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. Now it's time to go in with highlighter. I literally applied it like all over her face because I wanted her to look really glowy. And I'm using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess highlighter.
So the last and final step is applying your lip product, and I don't even know what this is. I know it's from Bobbi Brown, but I let her keep it. It was like a brand new product and she really liked it. She was waiting for the lips the whole time. She's like, my lips, I need them now.
I hope that y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know it was different. I know I was doing makeup on someone else. Don't forget to show Dynasty some love in the comments down below, as well as follow her IG account because she was super bomb for letting me do her makeup in this video. Thank y'all so much for all of your continued love and support, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched my last video, be sure to click the box right here and it will take you straight to it.